Hey guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. After an entire summer in Wisconsin, I'm finally back in Florida. If you missed it, I spent the last few months helping my parents build a vacation rental up north. I'll link that project below in case you missed it. It feels so great to be back, but I have so much to do around the house. I have a ton of office work that I need to catch up on. I took a bunch of pictures and videos of the vacation rental that need to be edited, but I'm not quite feeling motivated to sit down and take care of all the office work. So I think I'm going to refresh this space a little bit and hopefully get those creative juices flowing. I still have some unpacking to do. I have a bunch of mail to go through. I have an exciting package waiting for me from Brooklinen. I cannot wait to swap out our bedding and get some good sleep after all the projects and traveling. So right now I'm sitting in the home office and I want to kind of show you the plan for this space. So on that blank wall, I'd like to do a beadboard wall treatment going 3/4 up the wall. That's where my desk is right now, but I'd like to move that to this side under the big window so that I can have a view of the backyard, and then this leather couch will go on the other side with the wall treatment. Let's go to Home Depot and pick out the material. For this project, I'm using 3 4x8 panels of beadboard, 2 8-foot long chair rail trim pieces, and 2 8-foot long 1x4 primed boards. I'll link the tools and materials for this project in the description below. I also picked up some painting supplies and liquid nails to apply to the back of the beadboard. Before I get ahead of myself with a new project, I'm going to make up our bed nice so I can crash at the end of the day. As you guys know, quality bed sheets are really expensive, but Brooklinen gives you the quality and comfort at an affordable price by cutting out the middleman. So while the Classic and Luxe Hardcore bundles cost between $200 and $250 depending on the type of your bed, comparable luxury sheets typically cost around $500. Brooklinen is offering my viewers a special discount of $20 off any order over $100. Just click the link below and use code Stephanie. Here I have the best-selling Luxe sateen sheets in cream, which are the ultimate bedding upgrade, perfect for elevating your sheet game. These sheets feature a luxurious 480 thread count and a slightly luminous finish. Instead of buying individual items, you can save 25% by purchasing a hardcore bundle, which includes a core sheet set, extra pillowcases, and a duvet cover like you see here. You can shop for your Brooklinen Classic or Luxe Hardcore bundle from the comfort of your home. Mix and match over 20 plus color and patterns for the Classic and Luxe Core sheet set, extra pillowcases, and duvet cover. I wish I could jump in bed right now, but I have to finish my project in the office first. I'm starting with a blank wall. I already took my outlet covers off. Don't mind the random dots all over the wall. That was from a previous accent wall project that I took down and wasn't loving. So the first step is to take off your base trim. If you have trim with a thicker profile, you can probably leave it and set the beadboard on top. My trim has a thinner profile, so I decided to swap it out for 3/4 inch thick 1x4 boards. I used a utility knife to score the caulk and then used a hammer and small pry bar to pry the trim off the wall. Make sure to remove any leftover nails sticking out. To make room for my new trim, I had to notch out the trim on the left and right walls with my multi-tool. I took an 8-foot piece of trim and square cut each end so each end is nice and straight. I used my brad nailer and 1.5-inch brad nails to secure the base trim to the wall, making sure the trim was nice and level. I'm setting my beadboard on top of this trim, so it's important that the trim is level so my beadboard is nice and straight. I had to raise the trim up a bit to cover the existing trim marks, so I'm going to have to install some shoe trim to the bottom later on. After the trim was installed, I went out to cut the beadboard to length. I used a scrap piece of wood as my straight edge and clamped it down to my beadboard to make a nice straight cut. These are 8-foot long sheets, but I cut them down to 5 feet. I used an entire tube of liquid nails on the first sheet, stuck it to the wall, and made sure it was level, and then secured some 1-inch brad nails to hold it in place while the liquid nails set. Make sure to match up the ends of the beadboard to continue with the pattern and to create a seamless look. For the next piece, I had to notch out an outlet. I transferred the measurement for the outlet onto the beadboard and then cut it out with a jigsaw. You could also use a multi-tool. Either way, I recommend doing this on a workbench. I applied the liquid nails and then secured it to the wall with a few brad nails. Make sure to press the beadboard down all over to get rid of any big gaps. I had to rip my last piece down. I cut it to size using the same straight edge trick and my circular saw. The beadboard is all installed and you can see how nice the seams match up. Now I'm working on the top trim. There's all sorts of trim that you could use for this. I just wanted a simple, classy trim, so I used this curved chair rail. I squared off each end of the first 8-foot trim piece and then cut the second one down to size. I installed the trim with 1.5-inch brad nails. To finish this project off, I filled all the small nail holes with wood filler and then caulked all the seams to create a clean, seamless finish. Last but not least, I added a few coats of paint, and there you have a quick and easy beadboard accent wall. By the way, after sleeping in my Brooklinen sheets for a night, I give our new sheets 5 stars. They were silky smooth, nice and cool, and extremely comfy. Once again, Brooklinen is offering a special discount of $20 off any order over $100. You can click the link below and use code Stephanie. Thanks so much for watching. If you're recreating this accent wall, good luck. I'll see you in the next video.